very warm welcome to your Thursday weather forecast. Starting with our state Geo solar radiation map, we can see a good to excellent performance expected on our solar panels over the biggest part of the country, with extremely hot and dry conditions yet again over the western interior. Temperatures here around 40 degrees Celsius, with only a few isolated thunderstorms bringing some relief from the heat over the extreme northern parts of the Northern Cape as well as parts of Northwest. Isolated showers and thunderstorms in the forecast fall in Popo and Mpumalanga as well as the northern parts of Gauteng, with isolated thunderstorms around the escarpment areas of KwaZulu-Natal, the Eastern Cape and the extreme eastern parts of the Free State. Northeasterly to easterly winds picking up around the coastal areas of the Eastern Cape, with light winds now in the mother city, and southwesterly to westerly winds blowing over the western interior. Therefore, the Weather Service is warning against runaway fires over big parts of the northern, western and eastern Cape, so please be careful. Another scorching hot day for big parts of the Western Cape, with temperatures in the upper 30s over the interior, 39 in the afternoon in Klein Willem, Worcester, Robertson and Laingsburg, 39 in Beaufort West and Graaff-Reinet as well. It will be extremely hot and uncomfortable. Easterly winds blowing along the coastal areas, but another day of heatwave conditions for parts of the Karoo as well as around the escarpment areas in the Eastern Cape. Only a few isolated thunderstorms possible in the Eastern Cape, here around the bordering areas of Lesotho. After a foggy start today, we are expecting northeasterly winds to blow along the coast between Port St. John's and East London. In KwaZulu-Natal, light northeasterly winds along the coast with isolated thunderstorms expected over the western part after a foggy start today, a maximum of 26 in Ladysmith. In the Highveld, isolated thunderstorms in the vicinity of eMalahleni, Secunda and Standerton, with isolated showers around the escarpment but partly cloudy skies in the Lowveld. In Limpopo, we are also expecting isolated thunderstorms in the Bushveld with 33 in the afternoon in Tabazimbi and Balambala, isolated showers over the central parts around Polokwane and Mokopane. In Northwest, only a few isolated thunderstorms possible in the vicinity of Vryburg after an extremely hot day with 35 in Vryburg and Tahung. In the Northern Cape, lots of cloud moving over the province with southwesterly to westerly winds blowing fresh. Therefore, the Weather Service is warning against runaway fires. It will be extremely hot and uncomfortable with a minimum of 25 in the morning in Uppington, later reaching a high of 40. In the Free State, partly cloudy skies with another hot day, 34 the afternoon in Bloemfontein, isolated thunderstorms over the extreme eastern parts in the vicinity of Harrismith. And then in Gauteng, partly cloudy skies with a warmer afternoon, 31 the afternoon in Pretoria, only a few isolated thunderstorms possible from the afternoon. On Friday, we are expecting cooler conditions along the southwestern coast with foggy conditions moving in from the west, 26 the afternoon in Cape Town, but another extremely hot day for parts of the western, eastern and northern Cape. Isolated showers and thunderstorms possible yet again over the central and eastern parts of the country, with sunny conditions expected in KwaZulu-Natal. On Saturday, we are expecting temperatures around 25 degrees Celsius around the southwestern coast. Showers and thunderstorms now moving over parts of the Karoo, parts of the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, as well as along the eastern escarpment, but it reaches Bay reaching a high of 32. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.
The Stage Zero Volta 40, a small portable power station with big potential. Keep your devices connected for 4 hours during outages. Simple, effective, essential. Stay connected.